Okay guys, hopefully you can hear me. This is the symptom. I don't know if the noise is coming in over the video very good, but it's the tube on the heat exchanger for this burner right here. If I reach up in here and choke off a little bit of the gas flow, probably goes away. See that? Just getting air into that heat exchanger on the other side. Choke off some of the gas flow. That works fine. That's the first thing I noticed, but I didn't know why it was doing that, so I figured out that the heat exchanger was taking in excess air on the rotted spot. So that's the symptom I was having in the first place. So this one's a 1, 2, 3, 4 burner. So if you're getting a fluttering sound like that in yours, could be your heat exchanger. And let's see. This is a, see if I can find the bottle serial number. This is a, there's the bottle number right there. Okay guys, hope this helps you out. Take care. Hey guys, got a Goodman gas heater here, making a kind of like a rumbling sound when it's running that it never made before. So I looked into it. I could see inside one of the 4 burners, the flame, was like acting funny, running strangely. And I did some research, and one of the #1 causes for this seems to be the heat exchanger having a hole in it. So see, I have a central AC here, and to get in there, without taking everything apart, I cut this. Let's see if I can pan out enough. I cut this panel out right here on the top, so I could take the screws out of it, and then hopefully I can get well, this one doesn't look like that piece cut out, so I can get in between here. So hang on. Down here is the heat exchanger. So hopefully it's kind of, hang on. It's gonna be tough, guys. You got to bear with me. It's gonna be in the tubes. That's this tube right here on the back of the bend, on the back of the elbow. Let me see if I can get a view of it to show you with the camera. So if you guys are looking for the same problem, it's gonna be tough, but because I had to do it with a mirror and a flashlight. Not sure if it's going to show up on the video or not. Right. Get down in here enough. Okay. I mean, yours might not be in the same spot. I almost had it in view. Sort of see it. It's not really focusing. Right down in that rusty spot, there's a hole in it. There it is. There you go. That came into view. That's a hole in the heat exchanger right there. Now, according to what I've seen online, because I did register this heater when it was brand new, the heat exchanger is supposed to be warranted for 20 years. So I'm going to have to call and find out, what they do about it. It seems like they might replace the entire heater. But if I find out, any information, I will edit it into the video of what the outcome was. Also, real quick, these drip pans, you see this black right here where I'm tapping, they also go bad. and they are also a recall on them. Some of these Goodman heaters. Okay, guys, catch you in a few.